Welcome. Today we are exploring how business strategy must evolve in the modern world. We are moving away from rigid 5-year plans and towards a model that is built for speed, adaptation, and fast-changing markets. This is business strategy in an agile context. To understand where we are going, we must first look at where we have been. The traditional approach, often called waterfall, relies on a linear path. First, you spend months creating a detailed plan. Then, you execute that plan precisely. Finally, you deliver the result. This works great for building bridges, but often fails in modern business. Why does the traditional model fail? Because we live in a VUCA world. That stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. The market landscape changes so fast that by the time you finish executing a 5-year plan, the world looks completely different than when you started. So, what is the alternative? Agile Strategy. Unlike a static document that sits on a shelf, Agile Strategy is responsive. It views planning not as a one-time event, but as a continuous activity. It prioritizes learning and adapting over strictly following a prediction made years ago. The engine that drives this new approach is the feedback loop. We plan, we do, and most importantly, we check. By shortening these cycles from years to months or even weeks, we can learn what actually works in the real world and adjust our course before it is too late. But agility does not mean chaos. We still need direction. In Agile Strategy, we use a North Star vision. This is a fixed, long-term goal that does not change. However, the path we take to get there remains flexible, allowing us to navigate around obstacles as they appear. With short feedback loops, we frequently arrive at a critical decision point. We look at the data. If our strategy is working, we persevere and double down. If the data shows we are wrong, we pivot. This ability to change direction without shame is a competitive superpower. To move fast, we cannot rely on every decision going up and down a chain of command. Instead, we focus on alignment. When every team member understands the strategic intent, they can make autonomous decisions that drive the company forward without waiting for permission. Start small. Just as software teams build a minimum viable product, leaders should build a minimum viable strategy. Don't waste time trying to predict every variable. Create a lightweight strategy, test your biggest assumptions, and expand based on real evidence. To wrap up, remember these 4 shifts. Move from maps to compasses. Accept volatility as normal. Embrace short feedback loops to learn fast. And finally, empower your teams through alignment. This is how you build a resilient business strategy for the future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.